What's up guys, Jedd here from Locked In Off-Road, and in this episode we're going fishing and crabbing. Ew!
Port and bust ups, mate.
GG!
Bada bing, bada boom. I'ma get it to the room. And I'm running out fast, I'ma get it out soon. Now I'm pumping that gas, y'all smoking on the fumes.
We're down at the Horton. We're gonna chuck the boat in. Hopefully we catch us some crabs. Hopefully we catch us some fish. Let's have a good day.
Do you want it?
Do you want it?
Do you want it?
I don't know what to do with that, bro.
Yeah, Scotty.
Just off.
Oddly. Nice.
First big bust up of the day for me. This is a fish. Oh. Look, my lip just don't fit in it now. Off you go, mate. Hey! Oh, a little
Chuck it back.
grunter.
Oh, look, it's like.
And we got another one. You want this one? Put it on your rod and you can
Oh, yeah. Here, chuck it on this hook quickly, put it in the water, and fucking press record. We're about to get some fucking. What's a montage come up here?
turn your thing on and you actually want to do it. You chuck it on, bro. Put your drag on real low. Country, mate. He's my friend.
Gotta come.
You a little fella. Where the fuck's your big brother, you dog? Well, this one feels like the other one I caught before. It does this, that movement. Dunk, 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 dunk. There's another one. Okay, there's another one.
How many have you caught? Oh, 6. Today, how many have I caught? No, probably like 6 or 7. If I would have reeled them in.
Yeah, beauty! The lactic acid's built up in old mate here. We gotta get him swimming again. There you go, mate. Make sure he's fucking good to go back out there. There you go, bud. Off he goes. Fucking, oh god, he's upside down.
You
Nah,
made it, man.
you'll be right.
Get your fluids in, boys, when you're out on the bus
Stay
stops.
hydrated. Gonna give the 2 deadly lure a crack. See what we can catch. More than Kurt, hopefully.
Yeah, oh man.
You got a fish, mate.
You sure?
Caught a big
Oh,
fish.
crab, bro.
Get it in.
Alright.
I might cast again. See if you can fucking catch the crab.
Yeah, he's on there. Are you ready?
Yeah, then pull it. Yeah, pull it to there and then one.
Fuck you!
You can't even catch a crab, bro.
I love that he hung on that whole time.
Turn it off.
What's that there?
Fucking cat.
Oh,
Yeah.
Good eating them, bro.
The boat, you could probably tell me about that.
Oh! Oh! Why'd you catch something decent, Curdy?
yeah!
Godly.
Decent little feed there. At least you caught the biggest
My
fish.
first one's fucking legal. Yeah, boys.
First one in the bank. Curdy's on. Let's catch the rest of them.
I'm pretty kind of left. One big one. Look at them fucking claws, man.
Got our first crab on the boat. And it's a buck. We're good, we got it legally. And it's nice and full.
Awesome.
Nice and blue. We'll go in there and go to sleep. Good night, mate. Don't eat the bait and don't let me drink. Down in the creek where we chucked one of the pots, we're going to check it out. And hopefully we've got something in it. Ew!
Get them crab busters.
There we go, more crabs. Ew! What do we got? Female. Too small. And nothing. We've reset the pot. We're going to chuck it back in the same creek. And hopefully we catch the bucks around here that are a bit bigger. What is this?
A range of drinks, like a 700ml bottle of Gordon's Sicilian Lemon Gin for just $43.90. Shop the catalogue through the Dan Murphy's app and get your drinks delivered in under 2 hours.
Pulling up the crab pots.
Hey,
We got.
little shit.
Catch you later, mate. Get out of here, you dog. Chew on that.
Sometimes I do, man, but
Today.
don't have my fork and knife with me.
Gonna pull up the final 2 pots and head on home. Hopefully these got the goods in them. Here you go, Cody.
I've got one buck in there, but I don't know, man.
No good, no good.
Shake him out of there.
This is the final one for the day. Come on. We're gonna stick.
Those saltwater sticks, eh?
I'm starting to think that these got checked. Because the bait's been eaten, but there's no crab. Someone check for fucking dogs!
We will find you, bud. We will find you.
Going! We're Jay, and welcome to Uncle Jedd's kitchen. In this video, we're going to be cooking chili mud crab. Let's go. I'm going to start off with heating up some oil. While the oil's heating up, I'm going to cut a purple onion. So cut up half a purple onion. On to the next step. Now it's time to take apart this crab. Nice and full, this bugger. Now we'll remove the carabus. Look at that. Get rid of the bad bits. Remove the gills out of that. They're poisonous, you don't want to eat them. Split it down the middle. Split it again, just in here. Got the legs, and we got the claw. Beautiful, man. Look at that meat. Alright, so we've cut up and cleaned the crab. It's looking nice. The oil should be hot by now, so we're going to chuck the ingredients in the pot and the onions. We're going to chuck the onions into the hot oil. Alright, so we fried the onions up a bit. Now we're going to add in some butter. We're going to add in some minced garlic. And some ginger. Just let that fry up a bit. So we got some chili jam. This has got all the goodies in it. I'm gonna chuck a good amount of that in. About that much. Whoa. Mix that through. That smells good. Alright, so we're just going to fry this paste up so the oil separates. And then we'll add in the diced tomatoes. The oil separated from the paste. So I'm going to add in half a can of diced tomatoes. Probably more than half a can, that's alright. Mix that through. Add in tomato sauce. About this many. That's looking real good and it smells delicious. So we're going to bring that back to a simmer. Just going to add in some chicken stock. I'm going to chuck the lid on and let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the sauce is now simmered for about 3 minutes. We're ready to chuck the crab in. What we got to do is crack the shell open so all the sauce can get inside. So it's gonna use the back of my knife. Crack him open like that. So the sauce can get in there. That one's good to go. That one's good. Alright. Where's the rest of the crab go? Yeah. Alright, so we're ready to chuck the crab in now. We're going to bring it over the pot, chuck him in. So we've got the sauce here looking absolutely lovely. Smells delicious. Ready for the crab now. I'm going to chuck the legs in there. Get that sauce over the top of it. Chuck a claw in. Chuck the other claw. Just gonna add a splash of soy sauce into the mix. Chuck this lid on top. And now we'll chuck this lid on top. Now we'll leave that for about 8 minutes. We'll come back and we should have delicious chili mud crab. He's starting to turn orange. Once he's fully orange, he's ready to go. Let's take a look. That to me, ladies and gentlemen, that looks cooked to perfection. So I'm just gonna pull the crab out and we'll finish off this sauce. Look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna need to put 2 eggs in. So I've got the 2 eggs. I'm gonna chuck these in a bowl. Just gonna scramble these up. So now I've got this on a nice low heat. We're gonna slowly combine the eggs in. And we'll thicken this sauce up. Mix the last bit of egg through, let that cook, and we'll be ready to plate it up. Alright, so it's now time to plate up. We're going to get the sauce in the bowls. Now it's time to taste test. Can't wait to dig into this. It smells and looks really good. Let's give this sauce a try. Oh, I can't even help, like this is actually pretty good. Like you gotta admit this is pretty freaking good.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Let's crack one of these nippers open and have a taste. As me mate Skid Pig always says, North Queensland lollipop. That's absolutely delicious. I reckon that's not a bad go for my first time cooking crab and my first time cooking chili mud crab. Hope you enjoy it. Give this a try. I'm going to eat. See you later. Alright guys, we're going to call it a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, stay locked in.